Hey Nimisha, congrats on your IT firm. That's a big step.
Thanks, Shreya. It's been quite a journey.
I've got to ask, how did you manage the funds for it?
Well, I had started investing in multi-cap funds a few years back.
Oh wow, I've heard of those, but I'm not exactly sure what they are.
Well, multi-cap funds invest a minimum of 25% each in large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. This creates a diversified portfolio that adapts to market conditions, offering both growth potential and flexibility.
That sounds like a smart way to invest.
Sure, but as with any investment, it's important to understand your financial goals and how comfortable you are with ups and downs.
Got it. Plan first, invest smart. Thanks Nimisha.
Anytime, always happy to share what I've learned.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.